In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Image Creator from Microsoft Bing to be able to generate an AI photo wallpaper. And I'm talking about crazy stuff over here. If you look at what we have already as results, you see what is the actual prompt: a family of bears preparing for hibernation in their den. Look at this, a cozy cabin in the woods surrounded by colorful autumn leaves. So you're probably already aware that this is a completely different high level of quality and image generation. So in this sample, I'm going to create a phone wallpaper design with snow on the trees and small ski jets around the forest. Let's create and let's see how it will go. Remember guys, this is powered by Dalio again, but it's so like unusual that every app works differently, but even though they might be powered by the Dalio, they give a different result. So look at this. Isn't it absolutely amazing? So I believe this one looks so cool. So if I show you this one, right, it definitely feels like a game. You see the small like jet skis, and then you have like the trees, and definitely looks so cool. Like if you look at the other one, right, we have even the 3D over here. It's so cool, guys. You have like the skis on the side. Definitely you can use this for like a landing page on your website if you're changing the landing page throughout the seasons, and the quality is amazing. You can see that there's like a frozen lake on the screen, there is some snow on the screen of the phone, right? It's so pretty, so beautiful. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.